Welcome back, everyone. It is a beautiful sunny day here in West Central Indiana. I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out our channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. And to everybody that has subscribed, thank you so much. We hit a milestone the other night, and I just want to say thank you very, very much. Today's video, you know, I'm one that likes to get the most for my money. So we was at our local Rural King the other day and found something that was a pretty good deal, and I'm going to share that with you here in a little bit. But first, before we get to that, I want to show you what we saw on the ride over here. We're just driving along through here and passing this cornfield and all these wild turkeys out here. This is the same field he followed us on my Coffee Outdoors Facebook page that had that group of 20 or 30 in it the other day. Just wanted to share this with you. Alright, everyone, like I said, we went to our local Rural King, and I usually go there after the season's end because they usually have everything on sale, and they usually have some really good sales. So that's when we stock up on our next season stuff, scent killer, sprays, minerals, you name it. We usually stock up and get a pretty good deal on it. I was there the other day, and they had this box from the Buck Bomb called the Rut Kit. It says on the box, this is a $45 retail value. I pay no attention to this $5 rebate. I'm not even messing with it. But in it has 5 items. Now it's a $45 value, so it was on sale for $5. To me, that's a good deal. It's such a good deal, I bought 2. But let's look and see what's inside of it. Comes with one Quad Grunner XT grunt call. That alone I think is worth $5. Comes one 6.65 ounce can of the Buck Bomb Scrape Generator, all natural premium urine. Another can that's 6.65 ounces of the Buck Bomb Doe and Estrus, all natural premium urine. Now I know if you go buy one of the Buck Bomb cans at Walmart or wherever, you're usually paying $8, $9 for it. Another bottle of the Buck Bomb Synthetic Forehead Gland, 4 fluid ounces. And a bag of Spike Wicks. You tell me if I got a great deal. I believe I got a great deal. $5 for all this stuff. I just wanted to share that with you. Like I said, I like to get the most for my money, and I just thought that was an exceptional deal for $5. So we will give that a shot this deer season. Like I said, it was such a good deal, I bought 2 of them. So I got 2 boxes of this, one for us to use, and stay tuned and I'll fill you on the rest. Alright, everyone, like I said, stay tuned and I'll fill you in on something. But first, I just wanted to share this with you. We're at one of our local fish and wildlife areas. This is the lake right here, the background just a little bit ago in the video. You can see this trail right here. Runs through those weeds and comes up, and it enters the water right there. You can see all them trees that were taken down this fall and early winter by the beaver in here. And it just completely wiped all them out. One thing that irks me sometimes is this fish and wildlife area used to be open to trapping. All you had to do is come in, write your name down on the sign-in sheet and go set your traps. Of course, you had to follow the laws and all that good stuff, which we do. Well, this year, all of a sudden, they decided to make it where you had to be drawn to trap it. So, needless to say, we didn't know it. Come to find out, the draw had already passed once we found out you had to be drawn, so we weren't able to come down here and trap it. But my God, it's just ridiculous. Anyway, I just want to share that with you. It's just a gripe I got. But anyways, I told you I bought 2 boxes of that that Buck Bomb rut kit. I'm going to give one of the 2 boxes away. So if you want to be considered in winning that other rut kit box, all you have to do is comment in the comments, done, and I'll take that as you would like to be in the drawing for it. See, what is today? Today is February 25th, so let's just say March 15th I'll draw the name of the lucky winner, and we'll get that second rut box kit off to you. Now, I'm not saying you have to join our Coffee Outdoors Facebook page, but if you are the winner, I'm going to need you to at least send your mailing information on our Coffee Outdoors Facebook page messenger. So that being said, I want to say thank you to everybody that followed me on my first live stream the other day. I really appreciate it, and hopefully my next one will be better. I'll have the camera turn or get better view. But thank you so much for coming along. Thank you so much for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.